Grabe yung pagmamahal sa inyo ng taong bayan ngayon ito.
Hi, girls! Welcome back to the outside world. Actually, Kira and Charlie, kanina we saw you sa eviction room. Parang tumatawa pa, nag-uusap kaya mo. Are you okay, Kira? Are you okay, Kira? Charlie, I'd like to ask you na lang, no, kanina sa eviction room, you were talking, you were smiling. Ano bang kumalang sa isip mo?
We were just recalling all of the memories that we had together from the first day up until now, and we were just saying that we were so happy to walk out together because we sleep beside each other. And it would be really hard for us if one of us came out and we wouldn't see each other beside each other tonight or tomorrow morning. So we were just so happy.
We're so happy to see you girls bloom inside the Big Brother house. Kira?
Hello. Say hi to everyone.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry, everyone. Nakakabigla. Oh, don't say sorry.
I'm so happy to see you guys. Thank you.
I love you. Welcome back to the outside world, girls. You made us all so proud. At marami pang mangyayari sobra dito sa outside world.
Everybody here supports you so much.
Palakpakan muli natin, Charlie!